The search functionality within YouTube now gets a couple of new AI tools. Meta partners with Xbox and releases a new gaming-focused edition of its VR headset. Inside WhatsApp, you can now get an AI-powered summary of your chat conversation. More details about these three and a couple of important news items about LinkedIn and Claude AI coming up in this week's edition of the Connected Church News with me, Natchi Lazarus. Welcome. This is the show that brings you the top 5 social media, AI, and emerging tech news that you as a leader need to know in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. YouTube has announced a couple of AI-related upgrades to its search functionality. First, YouTube is bringing a new type of search result page that is powered by AI, where AI is going to generate a carousel type of a search result with suggested videos. Second, YouTube says it's expanding the access to its conversational AI tool inside YouTube, which appears when you click the Ask button below any YouTube video. Now, that is being rolled out to more people. We all know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and millions of people look for stuff on YouTube on a daily basis. So any announcement like this from YouTube or Google related to search should get your attention. So the moment you get access to these functionalities, just go in and check how your ministry shows up when people search for things or people ask for stuff inside your YouTube videos. WhatsApp has released a new message summary feature where Meta AI summarizes your WhatsApp chat messages. The announcement says that every time you log into WhatsApp, all your 100 messages, let's say you have 10, 15 messages since you logged in, AI will give you a quick summary of what those are. The moment I say it, I know you're asking about privacy because that's what I did when I read this news item. And WhatsApp says these summaries use private processing technology, which allows Meta AI to generate a response without Meta or WhatsApp ever seeing your message or your private summary. In a ministry organizational setting, I see a couple of use cases. For example, if you have multiple groups in your ministry, WhatsApp groups, before the admin jumps in, they can get a quick summary of what's going on. Finally, WhatsApp says that this feature is going to be switched off by default, so you can relax. You can switch it on and see how it works for you before you start using it. LinkedIn has launched a new feature called Advanced AI Assisted Search, which is intended to make your recruitment process easier. It has 3 big features. It starts with the very first step in recruitment, which is job description. So all you have to do now is to get your job description and give it to AI, and it will help you get started with the recruitment process. Next, the AI is going to take that job description and start finding skills that are required for this particular job, even if they are hard to find and even if you have not even mentioned it or maybe you didn't even think about it. It will start finding the skills that are required to get that job done. And finally, from a candidate's perspective, what it's going to do is give you details about their skill even if they have not mentioned it in their resume. Now, that could be helpful because not all candidates know how to express all their skills. As growing ministries and churches, next time you want to recruit, try out this AI tool. This weekly episode is brought to you by Connected Church Academy. Connected Church Academy is a media education hub for the faith-based community. If you are a church, nonprofit, or ministry and looking to learn about media, social media, AI, and technology to help your ministry grow and expand and reach your audience, then this is a good resource you might want to check out. You can visit the website cca.live. We'll also have the link to it in the show notes or description of wherever you're listening to me. You can check it out. Meta has partnered with Microsoft Xbox to release a limited edition VR headset. If you're already using MetaQuest, you know that the Xbox app has been in the system for a while. So that's not a new announcement. What is new is this tighter collaboration that we're seeing between these two big organizations, Meta and Microsoft. This VR headset is exclusively designed with new all black kind of a design, and it comes with its own Xbox controller inside the box. You can also see how Meta is thinking about the gaming audience being a gateway into VR adoption in a big way. So it'll be interesting to see in the future how Meta goes forward with this whole idea of having limited edition headsets with different players in the industry. Anthropic has given a big boost to its already popular feature called Artifacts by making it easily shareable with anyone as an app. Artifacts is a feature within Claude AI by Anthropic that lets you give a very simple description as a text prompt, and create apps that solve particular problems. So, as a ministry, now you don't have to wait for a software developer. You can just go into Claude and you can create this artifact. The announcement says you can now create shareable interactive apps, tools, and games with Claude's intelligence directly embedded into the artifact, making them independently smart and responsive. So once you create this app without worrying about all the complications and costs related to software, hosting, and so on, you can just take this app link and share it with anyone. And people need not even have a paid account. They just create an account in Claude, free account, and they can access your artifact app. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, I'm going to ask you to take a quick moment to do that so that you're always on top of all the news and trends and strategy and tactics and all the stuff that we put together here for you in this channel.